And most welcome in another episode of special one word substitution. Having juicy or fleshy and thick tissues, this is called succulent. Succulent, SUCCULENT, succulent. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे रसीला कहा जाता है. The right to vote in political elections. The right to vote in political elections. The right to vote in political elections. This is called matadhikar, franchise, FRANCHIESE, franchise. This is a noun. The action of killing oneself intentionally. The action of killing oneself intentionally. This is called suicide, SUICID, suicide. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे आत्महत्या कहा जाता है. A brief account of a subject. A brief account of a subject. This is called summary, SUMMARY, summary. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे सारांश कहा जाता है. Splendid and expensive looking. This is called sumptuous, SUMPTUOUS, sumptuous. दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव, हिंदी में इसे आलीशान कहा जाता है. ऑफ द हाइएस्ट क्वालिटी, ऑफ द हाइएस्ट क्वालिटी. दिस इज कॉल्ड सुपरलेटिव, SUPERLATIV, सुपरलेटिव. दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव, हिंदी में इसे श्रेष्ठता सूचक कहा जाता है. स्पीड ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ साउंड, स्पीड ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ साउंड. This is called that of sound. This is called supersonic, SUPERSONIC, supersonic. ये एक एडजेक्टिव है, हिंदी में इसे पराध्वनिक कहा जाता है. The belief that particular events happen in a way that cannot be explained by reason, science. This is called superstition, SUPERSTITION, superstition. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अंधविश्वास कहा जाता है. Ask or beg for something earnestly or humbly. Ask or beg for something earnestly or humbly. This is called supplicate, SUPPLICATE, supplicate. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अंधविश्वास कहा जाता है. Ask move suddenly and powerfully forward or upward. This is called surge, SURG, surge. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे लहर कहा जाता है. Having something more than required, having something more than required. This is called surplus, SURPLUS, surplus. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अधिकता कहा जाता है. Kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of. Kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of. This is called surreptitious, 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 surreptitious. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे छल से किया हुआ कहा जाता है. A person's last performance, a person's last performance. This is called swan song, swan song, SWAN, swan, SONG, song. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अंतिम प्रदर्शन कहा जाता है. A collection of bees, a collection of bees. This is called swarm, SWARM, swarm. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे मधुमक्खियों का झुंड कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of one word substitution. Thanks.